Very much, thank you.
Jury entering.
Good job, thank you. Please be seated. Let the record once again reflect the presence of our jury, the defendant, Demons, his counsel, the assistant state attorney, our witness, Detective Mark Moretti, remains on the stand. Counsel, when we broke, they're still on your direct to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. Continuing to publish, we're on page 75. Detective, if you can start with the first message. I can't recall where we were.
9807, sent 11/10/2018 at 3:16 p.m. I'm not going. From 9807, sent 11/10/2018 at 3:16 p.m. Go for me. From 9807 at 11/10/2018 at 3:17 p.m. Damn people out there.
Phone number 6942, message sent 11/10/2018 at 3:17 p.m. Yes, they was at SAC 2. Same phone number, sent same date, 3:17:29 p.m. I seen them, you didn't. Same phone number, same date, sent at 3:18:27 p.m. You have to see Shell. Publishing, page 76.
From 9807, I sent 11/10/2018 at 8:07 p.m. I miss her, but I need a break.
Phone number 6942, message sent on November 10, 2018 at 8:08 p.m. We can stay up this way, or I can take her home. Same phone number, same date, 8:08:33 p.m. I was going to get a room out west.
From 9807, sent 11/10/2018 at 8:10 p.m. You got my cash app?
Phone number 6942, message sent November 10, 2018 at 8:10 p.m. OMG, thank you. Same phone number, message sent November 11, 2018 at 9:26 p.m. Trippier performance was lit. Publishing, page 91, message from phone number 6942, message date November 19, 2018, 3:27:40 p.m. Answer your phone. I'm going to end the publishing on page 91. Publishing, page 99.
From 9807, sent 12/13/2018, 4:23 p.m. Yeah, I'm down here.
Phone number 6942, message sent 12/13/2018 at 4:24 p.m. Okay, I need get Brandon something to wear, and I had to pawn for $400.
From 9807, sent 12/13/2018 at 4:24 p.m. Why? What the fuck? From 9807, 12/13/2018, 4:24 p.m. Why? Question mark, question mark, question mark. From 9807, 12/13/2018, 4:24 p.m. Would you do that? I got money for you. And 9807, 12/13/2018, 4:24 p.m. Blank message.
Publishing, page 100. Phone number ending in 6942, message sent 12/13/18 at 4:25 p.m. I'm broke, I just started back working, and Shell needed a loan, so I'm going to give it to her. I get paid tomorrow.
From 9807, sent 12/13/2018. From 9807, 12/13/2014 at 4:25 p.m. Come down here.
Phone number 6942, message sent 12/13/2018 at 4:25 p.m. I'm coming now, love you. Phone number 6942, 12/13/2018 at 4:59 p.m. Grandma wants to FaceTime you.
Fund 9807, sent 12/14/2018, 5:07 p.m. And the location was sent.
Publishing, page 101. Phone number 6942, 12/14/2018 at 7:08 p.m. You okay? Question mark. Same phone number. Message sent 12/15/2018 at 1:21 a.m. Me and Brandon went back to the hotel. You did amazing with Trippy. Love you, kid. 12/15/2018. Message sent from same phone number at 3:15 p.m. I'm at restaurant. The owner grandson is your biggest fan. Follow him at Andrew2199. Same phone number. Message sent 12/16/2018 at 4:25 a.m. 739. Same phone number. Message sent at 12/17/2018 at 6:59 p.m. Your little tree with an image. Same phone number. Message sent at 12/19/2018 at 11:44 a.m. Hi Jamie, this auntie, let Jamell know he's been on my mind very heavy. I'm praying for him. Ask him to Google Smokey Norfolk song, Once in a Lifetime. That song reminds me of him. Publishing, page 109, and specifically message ending in phone number 6942, 12/31/2018 at 5:46:24 p.m. Contact attachment sent. File name Shell Juvy Mom. That ends the publishing of this exhibit.
Detective Moretti, you had mentioned, and we've talked about over the past couple of days, the phones that were from Mr. Thomas and Mr. Williams.
Yes.
Did you have the opportunity to bring those with you today?
Yes.
So I'm showing you what's been marked as states quadruple N and states quadruple O. Do you recognize these items?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those items?
Those are the cell phones that we recovered from the vehicle on 1026 pursuant to a search warrant.
Are they in the same or substantially same condition as when they were recovered on October 26th of 2018?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you had the opportunity to review the contents of those packages before you came into court today?
Yes, ma'am.
Are they in the same or substantially same condition?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would request a movement to evidence states quadruple N and states quadruple O.
Is there any objection?
No, sir.
They'll be admitted.
States quintuple N will be marked states 113, and states quintuple O will be marked states 114.
Okay, and Detective Moretti, so it's clear for the record what's been now admitted as states 113 quintuple N, now 113 in evidence. Whose phone is this?
This was the white Apple iPhone that was found on the front right passenger side floorboard. It was the phone of Anthony Williams.
And now what's been admitted as states 114. Which phone is this?
This was found on the rear right side floorboard passenger side phone of Chris Thomas Jr.
Was there another phone that was found in that car as well?
Yes, ma'am.
And what phone was that?
It was an Android phone. It was found in the back seat pocket on the right rear passenger side.
Okay. And I'm showing you it's been marked as states quintuple P. for identification purposes only. Do you recognize that? Do you have an opportunity to review that before you came into court? Is it in the same or substantially same condition as when it was collected in October of 2018?
Yes.
Here at this time, the state would request to move in states quintuple P as states 115.
No objection.
It will be admitted.
States quintuple P, North States 150.
Detective Moretti, on states 115, this other phone, when it was collected in October of 2018, was it working?
No, ma'am.
What damage was caused to that phone? I'm sorry, let me rephrase. What damage was observed of that phone?
There's a broken screen. We tried to have it forensically download. They will not allow. We even tried to analyze.
Pull the microphone back to you, please, sir. Thank you.
We attempted to have the phone forensically examined. It would not.
Objection calls for hearsay.
Steps that you took.
I'm sorry?
Calls for hearsay.
She said-
Things that you did, not hearsay.
What was it?
I was present when we attempted to forensically download the phone. We were unable to. I personally tried to extract the data from the SIM card to see at least who the user was, owner, or anything, and the SIM card wasn't even reading.
And as a law enforcement officer, and you testified about your experience with Celebrant and Cellhawk, what does that tell you about that phone?
It's an inoperable phone.
So Detective Moretti, going back to what's in evidence as State 64, the extraction of the 772-713-9807 phone number.
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's been now marked as states quintuple Q for identification purposes.
Can we approach?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Detective Moretti, I'm going to approach and show you what's been labeled as states quintuple Q for identification purposes. Do you recognize that document?
Yes.
How do you recognize that document?
It is the data that was extracted from the phone regarding the Apple Health data, the steps patient on the day.
And does that data fairly and accurately represent the data that's on the phone that is now in evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know that?
I personally verified it by opening up the device and manually scrolling through that specific data to verify how many steps were taken on what date, what time.
In terms of the GPS points and things that are on that phone as well, did you verify those?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there been any additions or deletions to that data that is in this document before you?
No, ma'am.
And at this time, the state would request to move states quintuple Q as states 116.
Objection on grounds that we raised.
Objection, no, it's over. I didn't think.
States quintuple Q, Mark States 160.
Detective Moretti, in terms of the data in this particular, you could explain the start time and the end time.
It's when the phone reads or detects that there's movement. So it starts, it creates a start time, a timestamp, which is already converted from UTC to our present time zone, Eastern Standard Time. And when the phone detects that it's no longer moving or in activity, then it stops. In which then you see the last launch 10/29/2018, 5:40 in Eastern Standard Time. You see a little parentheses where UTC -4. That's just telling me that the phone already converted from UTC to Eastern Standard Time.
So when I want to go to October 26th for the start time, so going to entry number 43. If you could be so kind as to read the start time, date, and the end time.
Okay, the start time was 10/26/2018, 12:29 a.m. And the end time was 10/26/2018 at 12:47 a.m.
Does at that point the device record steps or movement?
Yes, ma'am.
And does it record a distance?
Yes, ma'am.
So continuing forward. To October 26th, the start time 2:57 a.m. to 3:04 a.m.
From 10/26/2018 to 57, it started registering movement. It recorded 5 steps, traveling 4 meters. And the end time was 10/26/2018 at 3:04 a.m.
Going to number October 26, 2018, 3:12 a.m., entry number 48 from this data.
That was the start time, and then the end time was 10/26/2018, 3:19 a.m., which the device detected 38 steps, traveling 28 meters.
Going on to number 14. I'm sorry. To number 49.
The start time where the device detected movement, it was 10/26/2018 at 3:19 a.m. And in the end time when it detected the one detected movement, it was 10/26/2018 at 3:35 a.m. It detected 70 steps, traveling 33.34 meters.
Okay. Going on to number 50.
The start time was at 10/26/2018 at 3:46 a.m. and the end time was 10/26/2018 at 4:02 a.m. The device detected and recorded 70 steps, traveling 40.93 meters.
And on number 51.
The start time of the detection of movement was 10/26/2018, 4:20 a.m. And the end time was 10/26/2018 at 4:48 a.m. A total of 1,397 steps were detected. A total of 947 meters was recorded.
So Detective Moretti, we've talked a little bit about the Instagram. Did the defendant have other social media platforms as well that you've reviewed?
We reviewed Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram.
In terms of the social media accounts that you reviewed on this case, did you look at other people's as well? I know you've spoken about Mr. Hedgepath.
Yes.
And reviewing Mr. Hedgepath's Twitter account, you mentioned that you thought there was a photo that was published.
There was a photo. It was an image of what would appear to be like crosshairs from a rifle scope, and it said something in the nature of we aiming at you, and it said diss track YNW Melly, and then in the caption they made reference to the Jeep.
So you've had a chance to review that. I don't have to pull it up for you to refresh your memory. Thank you. Detective Moretti, in terms of the timing on that diss track that came out, how long after the homicide was it?
I believe the release date was going to be November 2nd.
And for the contents of that song, did you review those?
No, ma'am.
Was there any other evidence other than one song lyric that tied David Hedgepath to Miramar on October 26th of 2018?
Nothing else, ma'am.
So we've already talked and started talking about the Instagram records on that. So I wanted to go ahead. What's been previously marked as state quintuple M. Detective Moretti, I'm showing you what's been marked as state quintuple M. If you could review those.
Yes, ma'am.
Detective Moretti, are those, what are those?
Those are the messages that was recovered in the direct shares from the Instagram download that we received from Meta Platforms Inc.
Do those fairly and accurately represent the direct shares involving a J King RN and the user YNW Melly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are those compiled from what's been previously placed into evidence as states 110, the Instagram documents?
Yes, ma'am.
Have they been edited or altered in any way?
No, ma'am.
And do they fairly and accurately depict a portion or sample of those Instagram entries?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, at this time, the state would request to move in states quintuple M.
Objection on grounds previously raised.
Can I see it, please? Thank you. Objection is over. She will be admitted.
States quintuple M will be marked states 117.
I'm sorry, what exhibit?
117.
117, thank you.
So Detective Moretti, I want to go ahead and publish states 117. Specifically at the bottom of page 1, could you publish the username and display name of that particular message?
The username was j.kingrn, and the text was Jamell Demons, go lay down, I love
Demons.
you.
It rhymes with lemons.
I apologize to the court. Jamell Demons, go lay down, I love you. 2018, 10/24, and the time was 5:01 UTC, which would have been 1:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Okay. So I want to go now, at the top of this page, again, this message says what at 10/24/2018. Just the text of the message.
I told you so, Melly.
And those were from page 71,473 for counsel. Going to page number 75,935.
Starting with the message in the middle of the page, October 26th, 2018, 10:58 UTC. What time is that in regular Eastern Standard Time on that date?
It'd be 6:58 Eastern Standard Time AM.
And who is the author of that message?
J. King RN.
And who is the recipient?
YNW Melly.
What is the text of that message?
Are you okay? Question mark. I'm here in Miami. Send me an address. I'm by the stadium. I'm a mess.
The next message, and again, it's talking about the thread IDs. Are we still in the same thread ID? Ending in 4182. If you could publish the next message of October 26th, 2018, 11:26 UTC.
Which would be 7:26 AM Eastern Standard Time. The text.
I'm sorry. Give me a break.
Sorry, we apologize. We need to take a recess because it's 20 to 12 now. My thought is maybe we just take an early lunch. So we came up and I have to resolve it. All right, I apologize for the inconvenience. Just keep note page on your chairs. Remember the admonition. Do not discuss the case. Don't form any opinions about the case. Don't allow anyone to discuss the case in your presence and certainly no research. 1 second. Council, can I see Cyber? Check with the attorneys, see how much time you need. My thought is we'll see you right back at 1 o'clock, all right? 1 o'clock, have a nice lunch, don't discuss the case. Thank you. The record reflect the jury stepped out. Councilor Manuel was in front.
Judge, we would like to look at the Android phone. I know it's sealed. It's in evidence. Pardon me?
Yeah, we can look at it. It's no problem.
If you can look at it during the break or what have you. Just want to stay
That's fine.
there.
The only concern I have is, we have two ladies, both, one's got no voice and the other says she's nauseous, so.
No, go. We'll do it later, before the jury comes back, if possible.
Well, I think Ms. Smith is here, she's fine, right? You can
Yes,
assist him, show her the phone, or whatever.
Yes, with the detective's assistance.
You're all right, detective? You good with that?
That's fine.
All right, so take care of that now, and
Thank you.
feel better, all right? All right, thank you, we're in recess. There's three of defendant's lawyers, as well as the assistant state attorney, the jury, and the jury. Mr. Demons.
Mr. Demons.
Okay? Outside your presence, counsel, one of your attorneys advised me that Ms. Liberty is ill, is not able to proceed. I thought we took her an early lunch, but she wasn't feeling well. But they told me she's not able to proceed, and she's part of the team that we could meet here, the way I understand. So counsel respectfully asked me to break early today. Asked him to go outside and talk to Ms. Liberty and find out, make sure, get an idea when she's able to proceed. After he spoke with Ms. Liberty, he thought it would be better to postpone until Monday. Is that right, Mr. Adelson?
That is correct. And as I've indicated to the court, she's outside the courtroom, down the hall. And I would bring her in, but I don't think it would be advisable. And I told her what I was going to report to the court, and I just reported this to our client, who understands, unfortunately, the inconvenience, and I want to thank the state and the court for their patience and understanding of this issue.
That's not an issue. Can't go, she can't go. Devin, do you understand? Okay, and so you're in agreement, we're just going to proceed on Monday. If there's liberty, a chance to recoup, and so council, as I explained also, my thought is I need to say something to the jury. I'm just going to tell them the attorney is ill, and is not able to go, we're concerned about tomorrow, so we're just going to see everybody back on Monday.
We're in full agreement.
Stay all right?
In terms of on Wednesday of next week.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
On Wednesday of next week, I was supposed to be with Judge Fund. I don't want to delay this any longer, and I think the defense counsel in that case is moving for a continuance for scheduling issues as well.
Which case?
The one that Judge Fine and Your Honor said I would be available on the 19th to time qualify.
Excuse me, don't put me.
Sorry. Judge Fine asked Your Honor to accommodate time qualifying on that case on the 19th.
So that may not go?
Correct. I just want to make sure everybody's aware.
I wasn't aware that I haven't had any discussions with Judge Fine. I was just told that he didn't leave on that day. All right, so I'm going to bring the jury in, and we're just going to tell them Monday.
Thank
All
you,
right?
and I thank the court for their
No problem. Detective, you step down. Thank you. We'll see you back Monday, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You bring him in.
Cindy, stay here.
Jury entering. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Please be seated. Let the record reflect the presence of the defendant, his counsel, the assistant state attorney, and ladies and gentlemen, the jury. Ladies and gentlemen, we had a break early today. I apologize for the inconvenience. One of the attorneys, before we took an early lunch, wasn't feeling well, and now she's indicated she just can't proceed further today. So we're going to call it for today. We're going to adjourn today. I also try to inquire whether or not they would be, is tomorrow good, and the answer I gave was probably not. So my thought is to just hold off, and we won't be in session tomorrow, because I'm not sure whether the attorney will be available or not tomorrow. So my thought was to see everybody back on Monday. All right? I apologize for the inconvenience. There's nothing anybody can do about it. You're sick, you're sick. All right? So just remember the admonition. Don't discuss the case. Don't form any opinion about the case. Don't allow anybody to discuss the case in the presence, and certainly no research about the case. All right? Just leave your notepads on your chair, and we'll see everybody back Monday. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let the record reflect the jury step down, Councilman, along with the defendants. So what are we doing about the deposition tonight?
I'm going to find out right now. I think she wants to move it to Friday at the early. And yeah, but I'll check. Don't leave, and I will. It will be done before Monday.
Definitely not tonight, correct?
Definitely not tonight.
Okay. So I can cancel it before that. Please.
Yes,
So with
please.
that.
Anything else to discuss, Council?
So,
No, Your Honor.
Have a good weekend. Tell Ms. Wimby I hope she feels better.
I certainly will.
We're adjourned.